But yeah, you gotta, that flew under. Absolutely shot under that one. Let's just check the bait's still on. Real positive bite, that one. But like I say, you've got to sometimes just keep swapping the bait. If you're not getting the bites, if you was getting the bites and they stop, there's always a reason for it. And it could be a bigger fish has come in and scared the other fish off. If the bigger fish is there, you got to try and catch it. So, but don't just sit there and hope for the best that you're gonna start getting bites again. Like I say, if you're getting bites and then it stops, it slows down, there's a reason for it. You might need to top up the swim with a bit more ground bait or whatever you feed him. Or sometimes just change the bait. Sometimes it can be changing the depth. But you just got to work it out on the day and try and work out what the fish need, what they want, and work out how you can trigger that next bite. There we go, fish on. Oh, come on. Slightly better fish, so definitely some better fish in the swim, which is probably why it went a little bit quiet. But by changing that bait as well, that seemed to have triggered the bites again. So that was a slightly better fish. Felt like a skimmer, decent skimmer. So just going to repeat that. Caster and a pinky on. It's starting to get a bit cold, so I might put my jacket on in a minute. So my float's gone down to the tip straight away. Oh, it's come up, and that hadn't really settled properly, so definitely something there just sort of picked it up, I think, on the drop. There we go, slightly better fish. Yeah, it's a skimmer. Yeah, I took it in the last 18 inches, so it's just off the bottom.